If you need to make a new sewer connection or plan to discharge more wastewater to our public sewer network, you'll need our approval beforehand. It's important to know that it's your responsibility to arrange the installation of private sewer and drainage pipes and make the connection to our sewer. Unlike new water connections, we don't carry out any of the work for you, so you'll need to use a contractor who understands drainage. We can't recommend a contractor for you, but your builder or local building control might have some good suggestions. You should get a few quotes before choosing someone to do the work for you. If your connection is in the public highway, you'll need to choose a contractor with the right accreditation. If they don't have it, they won't be able to complete the work. If you're unsure of what accreditation you need, contact the highway owner before work begins. All drainage needs gravity to work effectively. So if your pipework can't be laid with a slight fall, you'll need to think about constructing a pumping station to pump your wastewater uphill. Before you start, we suggest getting a copy of our sewer records. Visit stwater.co.uk/building. Our records show mapped public sewers in the area. However, some sewers that were once private and are now public may not be shown on our records. It's also important to remember that some drainage remains privately owned, and we don't hold records for private drainage systems. So you should work with your contractor and check around your site to see what drainage might be available to reuse. Look out for manhole chambers, covers, and gullies, which could indicate potential connection points. CCTV surveys can help to understand where the drainage goes and the condition of the pipes. You'll also need to think about access. If you're working on land you don't own, you'll need an easement from the landowner. This is a legal right that allows a person or business to use a specific part of another person's land for a particular purpose without owning that piece of land. If the work is in the public highway, you'll need a notice to work. We recommend contacting the highway owner before work starts to understand their requirements. Next, you'll need to agree with your contractor on how the connection to the sewer will be made. Typically, you can connect to the sewer using a junction or saddle fitting, or in a chamber or manhole. Be sure that your contractor uses compliant parts and materials, so you'll have peace of mind that your sewerage system will work effectively now and in the future. To understand which solution will work best for you, check out our technical guidance available on our website. When you're ready, you can make an application for approval to connect to our sewers. You can apply online or by using our PDF form. There are different types of connections to our sewers, and you'll need to tell us which type you're planning. If the new sewer is on land you own and only serves your property, similar to this, it's called an indirect connection. If the sewer is shared on land you don't own or located in the public highway, this is known as a direct connection. If you're planning to make a connection to deal with rain or surface water runoff, you should consider other sustainable options. These reduce the risk that the sewers will be overwhelmed and flood, and you may get a reduction on your bill too. Sustainable options include soakaways, permeable paving, or rain gardens. Once we receive your application, one of our technicians will be in touch within 5 days. If we need any extra information, or if something in your proposal needs adjusting, we'll work with you to find the right solution so your application can be progressed. When your application is progressed, we'll check that our network can manage the additional wastewater flow and that your proposed connection method is suitable. Within 21 days of progressing your application, if everything is agreed, we'll send you an approval letter along with your next steps. Your approval is valid for 12 months. You can then arrange for the connection work to go ahead. If you're making a direct connection, you'll need to tell us at least 5 days before the work commences so we can be on site to inspect the work. Our inspector will work with your contractor to make sure everything goes to plan when making the connection. Our inspector will confirm, in writing, that the connection works have passed inspection. For indirect connections, your building control officer is responsible for inspecting and signing off the work. In cases where the pipework has been laid in the public highway on an adopted road, in most circumstances we'll formally adopt the pipework from your connection point in the road to the demarcation chamber at the boundary, so that this pipework becomes our responsibility moving forward. The pipework from the chamber within the property boundary will remain your responsibility to maintain. Please refer to our published guidance and wastewater connection pack to understand our adoption requirements. If we adopt the pipework, you'll get a certificate within 8 weeks. Remember, this is a legal document, so be sure to keep it safe. So, to sum up, before submitting your application, it's important to identify a suitable point for the new sewer connection, understand your drainage requirements, consider sustainable rainwater drainage options first, appoint a contractor to complete the work, and read our wastewater connection pack. We hope this video has made applying to connect to our sewers clearer and easier to understand. If you have any questions or need help with your new sewer connection, our team is here to support you every step of the way. For more information, please go to stwater.co.uk/building.